Okay, so example 3, once again, we are solving an equation. Yes?
Francis earned 426.
Okay, so we're told that Frances earns, she gets paid for the week, $426. How much is she paid per hour? How much does she get paid per hour? Every hour she works, what does she get paid? Good. 11.75 per hour. And she gets a $50 bonus. So they've given you the equation. It's right here. So her pay, I'm going to write out the words. Her pay for the week, her pay per week, is equal to $11.75 per hour times the number of hours, plus, why is it plus 50? So automatically for that week, her boss just gives her $50. And then her boss says, I'm going to give you, for every hour you work, I'm going to give you an additional $11.75 for every hour. So automatically she gets a $50 flat rate. That's her initial fee. That's the initial amount that she gets, okay? So the question says here, how many hours did she work? So in our equation, we have a P and we have an H. Again, one way to solve this is identify your variables and figure out which variables do you have values for and which one is unknown. You can't solve this if you have more than one unknown. What are we trying to find? What is this question trying to find? How many? What do we want to know, Angel? Hours, good. So we don't know hours. Do we know how much she gets paid for the week?
Yes.
Go back and look at the question. They tell us at the beginning that she earns, her pay is $426. So now what? Now, what do I do with this information? If P is 426, where do I plug that in? For what variable? P or H? Good. So where we see the P, we're going to write the value. 426 equals 11.75. I don't know H. That's what we're trying to figure out. We're trying to find H. Plus 50. The question said, how many hours did she work for that week? 32 hours. Does that sound reasonable? Yeah. So she got $11.75 an hour. She worked 32 hours. Plus she got an additional $50. You can always go back and check. Okay, what is 11.75 times 32? How much did she get paid just for working 32 hours? Someone tell me. What's 11.75 times 32? 376. But then she got an additional 50. What's 376 plus 50? 426. That's what they said she earned that week. So your answer was correct. It worked. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to isolate H. I want to know, what is H? How many hours did she work? Okay, we want to get rid of this plus 50, so we take it away. Opposite operations. What do I do to the left side then? What is 426? Take away 50. 376 equals 11.75 H. How do I isolate H? What do I need to do? Divide by. Good. What is 376 divided by 11.75? 32. Raise your hand if you got 32. Excellent.